Let's talk about ultradian rhythms. Ultradian rhythms are natural biological rhythms that happen within each of us. Unlike a circadian rhythm that happens every 24 hours, ultradian rhythms happen many times a day. This is what it might look like. We are active and focused, and maybe we can sustain that to peak performance within a 90-minute time frame. But then you start to notice that the stress and tension, the wear and tear of being focused means that we need some recovery time. And if we get the recovery time, we might be able to have another 90 minutes of focus. But we will hit these natural peak performance focus points and these troughs. That's just natural. You see, what happens is we hit the trough because our physical and mental capacities have been working. Our nerves may be frayed. We start to have metabolic waste, and we start to have cellular debris build up. So what do we want to do about that? Well, we want to notice that, because when that happens, when we've hit the trough, we may be hungry, distractible, fatigued, groggy, any of these items. And if we don't pay attention, if we keep pushing, we risk some harmful effects.